In developing news, the current police chief's criminal case is back in court.
CBS 4's Imelda Mejia was in court today as Eloy Cardenas learned whether he would have another trial. She's live now with the new information for us. Imelda.
Marcy, Eddie, right now I'm standing outside the Edcouch Police Department, whose chief of police, Eloy Cardenas, was in court this morning for an aggravated assault charge dating back from 2008. CBS 4 asked why it took so long to see this case have a retrial.
Edcouch Police Chief Eloy Cardenas in court Tuesday for a hearing on whether prosecutors would move forward on an aggravated assault case he was charged with back in 2008. Cardenas did go to trial for the charges in 2010, but the jury was deadlocked. Yet, since then, nothing has happened and Cardenas continued to serve as chief of Edcouch. For over a month now, CBS 4 News asked the Hidalgo County District Attorney's Office about the case, and a pretrial hearing was scheduled for Tuesday morning. Cardenas' attorney says her client was caught off guard by the hearing notice.
I think he's a little disappointed because he thought the case was over 8 years ago. You know, his understanding was that the case was over and it was going to be dismissed.
The current Hidalgo County District Attorney Ricardo Rodriguez chose not to comment on why the case took so long to revisit, as he said the case started back before he took office. CBS 4 then reached out to Rene Guerra, the district attorney at the time, for a comment. He says the holdup was on Judge Delgado's end.
We developed a bad relationship, and he was going to do whatever he wanted to do, reference to criminal cases, whether we requested special hearings or not. He sets the docket in that court now with a new DA whose is more friendly toward him.
And Judge Delgado, however, gave his statement in court about why he held off and waited for a case dismissal to come from the state.
And you're asking the jury to believe you, a convicted felon, a liar, and a thief, to believe you, to which the victim said yes. And it is upon that basis that I waited for a motion to dismiss.
State Prosecutor Roxanne Salinas told the Judge Delgado that she did not want to dismiss this case. Therefore, Judge Delgado did set the next pretrial hearing for June 14th. Live in Edcouch, Imelda Mejia, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.